Okay, we're back, guys. Sorry for the close-up. I did actually try to zoom in this time to show you a little bit. While my phone was charging, I did add the rocks here and some grass and some grasses along the rocks around the stream, the river stream. And I did actually go ahead and I think I used a brush, but I went ahead and put the straight lines in there for this tree. And so I thought I'm having back problems, guys, so bear with me. I charged my phone and hopefully it's at 50%, so let's hope it stays. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and you guys have seen me do that grass, so I'm going to go ahead and get that all white. Where's my... Hold on, I got to get my rag without spilling everything. I think I'm going to use the large flat. Just going to get the white on there. And this is almost the main focus of the whole painting, so it basically goes all the way up to the top. Yep, we're going to cover up that tree. It's no big deal. You never know where you're going to put stuff, so. And you don't want that see-through, so probably dry it and then bring more white back into it. Sorry for the noise. I was always going to get one of those heat guns because I think they're quieter, but I always forget. I'm sure they're on Amazon or something. No, I didn't want to do that. Alright, let's get some other branches in there. We'll go ahead and maybe outline that with the brown. With the brown black. And I'm wetting it down, getting it soupy. Because I want it to flow nice. So if you have to, put your hand on the painting and bring it down as a guide. I'm not doing very well as a guide, but that's all right, we can cover it up. Just go slow. Make sure you're staying in that wet, watery stuff. Oh my Lanta, what is going on here? I am not doing well straight. It's okay. what doesn't help is this painting paper has warped as it's dried, and so that's why I'm crooked and wonky, and it's all right. We can, trees aren't exactly straight anyway, right? All right. Let's go ahead and add some branches. I hope my phone lasts. I don't know why it's eating up battery so fast. Although I was on for an hour last time, and I did watch that. I went back and watched that first video, and I see towards the end it did get fuzzy on me, so I'll try and show you guys. And we're just, hopefully I'm not, yeah I am. Let me turn this again, because it's so awkward. There. I'm putting these branches on. I need more water. Just have them branch off each other, but I don't know if you can, am I completely in the way? Yes. When I get to the other side of this tree, it will be a little easier to watch. It's so hard to get at that angle. Go ahead and get your branches on there, and we're going to come back and fill them in. You know, you don't have to go exactly by mine. So, and then now the other side. So hopefully you can kind of see better. Keep your brush wet and at a point to be doing these lines. That's where you're going to get your fine lines at. Mine are getting a little thick, and I'm not worried about it because I can come back with some white and put snow on them. So I'm not too worried about it. Aspens have a lot of, it's not a bushy tree. And so you're just making all these little branches that come off the main deal. that one to come in. That was a little bit big, but I can fix that in a minute. Just keep going up with your branches and branch them out. All right, let's dry this. And I'm gonna put the brown on the bottom half of these branches just for a little shading if we need it underneath that white. I don't know that I want to, maybe a little one, because I really don't. Well, let's just see what we have here. Hi, Sandy. So let's get some shading on there, but I'm going to go back to my filbert. It was a 6, this is a 14 filbert. Let's go in with a little bit of gray and shadow some of this side of that trunk. I'm going to go in with a light gray and come down. Let's come down this side since we already have a dark side here and a light side there. Let's go ahead and come down. And I was going to actually... It's not working. Let me dry that quick. All right. It's a little bold. It's all right. I'll fix it. See how my paper's warped? It'll be okay. I'm going to come out with that a little bit and I'll come back with white. The paper is challenging, but it's okay. I'm going to dry that again. Out a good white here on my palette. I never keep it neat. It's hard for me. All right, so I'm going to come back in on the other side with the white and bring it back into that. That gray. And there we have a shadow. One side's darker than the other. All right, I need fresh white, so give me a minute. Sandy, I hope your sister's gonna be okay. I think I'm just gonna fill in now the branches. We could go back to your liner brush, or I mean your round, but I'm gonna keep with this filbert. It's got a flat side to it, so I'm okay using it that way. I'll probably do a little bit more white on top of this because these branches leading in, I don't want this brown that's on the side to see through or show through. Just do your touches like there's snow on the branches. It's looking better. All right, I'm gonna dry it again and we'll go back over it. I wanted to get this tree in here before I did any more grasses in the background, so I didn't like waste my time and cover a bunch up. All right, so let's go. Just a minute. I'm gonna go back in on this side and hit the tops of that as it comes into the tree with that white. And then I will go back and get a little bit of gray and do the underside. Okay. I'm going to get my small round and use my mixture of my black and brown again. And we'll put some marks in there. My soupy black brown. Still not soupy enough. There we go. All right. So now I'm going to roll it off the brush, and am I done with that though? No, I'm not. I'm not ready to do this. Let's go. I forgot to bring in my gray. That gray underneath some of those branches. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this watered down black and brown and water it down even more and come in well, I was going to say ever so lightly. But I like it. It's going fine. And if you don't like it that dark, you can come back with your white again. So you never really want to worry about if you make a mistake. You can always fix it. Actually, I like that. I think I'm going to leave it. I might come back in with a little bit of white down towards the bottom. There. Now we're going to put the lines in it. Probably use your filbert, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use my line, very, very small round. I'm going to use my black-brown mixture. And I'll probably come back and use a little bit of black. And again, you can put them in willy-nilly. So tomorrow, I was going to finish this up tomorrow actually, but I think I do want to add a little cardinal in here, just for a little surprise. And so I need to get, let's see. I need to put some grasses in here. All right, same with the black brown, watered down. You can put little top nuts on there too if you want. Totally up to you how you want your weeds to be growing. I meant for that to be smaller because as you go back, they should fade away and be smaller pieces. All right, let's put the fence post in now. I'm gonna keep with this brush. Add a little black to one side. Make sure you have it watered down, and we're gonna do the wire. Let's use a little bit of white and brown to lighten up one side of the fence post. Just a little bit. And I painted on my tape, and I forgot about that. Oh well. All right. Now let's adding dots to where your, like, staples, fence staples. Okay. Now your wire isn't going to be straight, so and let's add some weeds. That's in the tape. Darn it. Let's add the big try and cover this up. Oh well. All right. Well, that is done. Unless you guys want to elaborate on more grass or add some more rocks, I might outline this so it stands out a little bit more, stronger with black. Add more branches, more grass, more rocks, whatever you want to do, more lines, but I'm gonna call it good. Oh, I also, while my phone was charging, I came in and did a little bit more highlights with true white on some of these rocks so they have a little bit of life to them. Actually, I'm gonna come in and do a little bit here. More layers and more colors always adds dimension, so that's it, guys. I hope you like this one. It's another wintry scene. You can paint it and hang it throughout the winter. So I will post the picture. Hi. I will post the picture of both of them side by side in the group, and after I sign it. But I'm gonna call it good. You guys have a great night, and thanks for bearing with me for part 2. Thanks a lot. Bye, guys.